Okay, next. Pasensya na kayo ha sa aking handwriting. Ito ay cursive. Ganyan ako magsulat. Cursive akong magsulat. Okay, pa-cursive. Number 3, a signature written by the forger. Okay? Pag sinabing a signature written by the forger. By the forger. Forger. Forger, ito ay person. Okay? Forger. Sinabing forger, person. Siya ay nagpo-forge ng signature. Okay? Siya ay nandadaya. Okay. In his own style of handwriting without attempting to copy to form the genuine signature. Okay? Okay. So, kanyang style daw, siya daw ay perfect keyword. Perfect keyword here. Without attempting. Okay? Without attempting. Yan. So, natin yung without attempting. Yan. Yan. Ito, without attempting. Ibig sabihin, si forger daw ay yung kanyang signature ay hindi man lang niya inattempt na gayahin yung genuine signature. Okay? Handwriting without attempting to copy to form the genuine signature. Okay. A, trace signature. B, disguised forgery. C, simulated forgery. D, simple forgery. Ano yung perfect answer? Ang perfect answer is D, simple forgery. Okay? Simple forgery. Yung perfect answer, simple forgery. Why? Kasi nga, yung signature daw, ni genuine signature, yung original na signature ay hindi man lang daw inattempt ni forger na gayahin. Okay? So, ang perfect answer, simple forgery. Si simulated forgery naman, ito ay freehand. Freehand and skillful. Okay, skillful. Kasi nga, si simulated forgery, ito talaga ay kopyang-kopya niya yung signature. Yung genuine signature, yung original na signature, ay copy niya. Na? Itong forger na to, ito ay ang kanyang kamay ay magaling mangopya. Okay? Skillful, napakagaling niya, no? Manggaya ng signature ng ibang tao. Yan tinatawag na simulated. Okay? Yung trace signature naman,